Good day everybody, my name is Nick Chong, the founder of Green Bay CS Sdn Bhd. Today, I want to share with you an interesting product and solution from Kstar, which have already a successful installation site here, Prime Minister Office of Malaysia, Putrajaya. By the way, this data center is certified Platinum tier by Green Computing Initiative GCI. This is the first product and solution that I want to share with you today. Kstar IDU, a single-row smart data center solution that's suitable for small and medium data center. The features of IDU including a built-in in-row precision aircon to control the temperature and humidity, centralized monitoring panel, hot or cool out containment with high efficiency to lower down the PUE. Behind me is Kstar IT Cube, an integrated data center module, IDM. It is suitable for medium and large data center. The key features of Kstar IDM including rapid deployment and expansion. The prefabricated modular data center takes the deployment time down from few months to just 1 to 2 weeks. Third key features is security and intelligence. The two-level security access, which is IDM level, and red level security access, CCTV system, also enhances and strengthens the security of the data center.